Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Hanysa Putri Oktaviany, number 19072, class 2B. Chronic pain. What is chronic pain? There are two kinds of pain, acute and chronic. Acute pain lasts for a limited time and is usually the result of an injury, surgery, or medical illness. Chronic pain continues for extended period of time. Sometimes, even after the original problem has healed, treatment for acute and chronic pain are often quite different. Is the pain all in my mind? Many people ask this question when they can't understand why they have chronic pain or because they feel that health professionals, family, and friends don't believe them. But pain is either present or absent. You can imagine it, and we know that pain is caused by a mix of physiological, social, and emotional factors. Will my pain go away? At present, there is no known cure for chronic pain. Many patients say that their pain reducing during treatment on our program, but only a few people find that it makes a big difference on its own. However, we aim to help you manage your day-to-day mood and outlook on life and generally to feel better about yourself. So I give up all hope of a cure. Advance in our understanding of pain are happening all the time, and who knows what the future might bring. However, it is more helpful to focus on working toward a meaningful, active, and staying life today, rather than on the possibility of a cure in the future. What happened on the program? You will work closely with a team of physiotherapy, physiologists, nurse, doctor, and occupational therapists. We will teach you skills to help you address the challenge of living with chronic pain. We help you to understand your pain and overcome your fears about it. We help you to reduce tables that don't work with the stretching and exercise session, and we help you to learn ways of relaxing on challenging negative ways of thinking and so avoid depression. Will this program really help me to improve my life even though my pain has gone away? Yes, it is possible. Many people who follow our program and similar program around the world report that they have achieved a more balanced and fulfilling life. They achieve this despite their chronic pain.